Can we just take a minute to appreciate my makeup? If you do want a tutorial on how to get this soft glam makeup look, then do let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, I want to do a quick unboxing. This is what I bought not long ago. It is earrings from Lovisa that are my favorite. I have had them before, but I lost them, and I think one of them just got tarnished because I ended up wetting them, which is one thing you don't want to do. Do not get water on your jewelries. Anyways, let's unbox it. First one I have is this one. You can see it. It's so beautiful. This is the pearl earrings. It is made of freshwater pearl, and it apparently is premium plated brass. It is so gorgeous. It will give you that soft girl look, and I'm super obsessed. I will show you how it looks on my ears, and that's how it looks on my ears. They're honestly so pretty. The second earrings I have are these. These are gold-plated mini hoops. I'm honestly so obsessed with these as well. Let me show you how it looks on me. And this is what the second earrings look like. They're honestly so cute. I love them. These are my current favorite earrings. I wear them every day. Let me know which one you prefer on the comments down below and what videos you'd like to see next from me. Mwah.